Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send messages from a Kafka Producer to Microsoft Fabric. The first thing would be to go to your workspace in Microsoft Fabric and make an event stream. Let's call it once we're here, we click on this one, say it's a custom app. My C#. Once this is done, we can then see some details we can use to connect our C# app to Microsoft Fabric. We will be deleting this one. Then we're just going to copy it. We're going to our C# app, modify connection string. Let's click go. So now the C# app is logging some telemetry data representing a Wi-Fi router, and it's sending these messages to Microsoft Fabric. Let's close it. Then for our destination, we could land it in a KSQL database. My KSQL database. Some workspace. Oh, let's say Kafka demo. I don't have a database, of course, so I'm going to make one. Find my workspace. Make a new KSQL database. Yeah. Cool. Now we can go back. And probably need to close this one. Then I'm going to connect to my KSQL database. Then I have the option of making a new table for my new data. And then I'm sending the messages as a JSON, so I would love to change the format here. Then you will see it has organized it as a nice schema. And that's it. Now it's ingesting from our C# application into our KSQL database. So let's go ahead and launch it sometimes, just to get some more messages inside our fabric. Let's go back to our KSQL database and see if any data has been ingested. Now we see data has been ingested. Let's go and see what it looks like in our KQL table. Cool. So with that loaded, let's see if we can do something interesting in Power BI with this data set. So I'm going to select the table and I'm showing customer ID, maybe, and maybe the channel. Show it as a pie chart. The code used in this demo is available on GitHub. I also have another video on end-to-end streaming using Microsoft Fabric. Both links will be available in the description below. With that said, I thank you for listening and I wish you a nice day.